Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing great. This is Damodar.
And this is Sarinath. Welcome to Tech Hunt in English YouTube channel.
Friends, I have explained what is a eSIM and how it works in my previous video.
We are leaving the link in the description. In case if you have missed to watch in previous time, you can go and access the link and see that video. Today in this video, we would like to share as how to activate eSIM.
The reason behind doing this video, my cousin Balachandra was using Apple 11 model. He requested me to go through what is the settings. So we decided to do a small video by showing screenshot how to activate eSIM.
Unfortunately, we don't have physical mobile to show you step-by-step process. However, we will be using screenshot to explain the same for better understanding. As of now, in India, only Jio and Airtel is having these eSIM services.
What is a eSIM? eSIM is embedded in the chipset of motherboard, which means no need of physical SIM card is required.
It means user can digitally download Jio or Airtel eSIM profile remotely
On the eSIM enabled devices. Now, how can we get a new eSIM? If you are new subscriber and looking for a new eSIM, then you need to visit Jio or Airtel store to get a new eSIM by providing proof of identity and photograph.
If you already having physical SIM and you want to convert this physical SIM into eSIM, Jio user can visit nearest store to get QR code. Airtel user no need to go to store, they have to follow below steps to generate
QR code. For converting your physical SIM to eSIM or existing eSIM to eSIM, there are few steps which you would need to go through.
For initiation of the process, send SMS to 121 by mentioning eSIM space registered email ID.
If your email ID is valid, you will receive SMS from 121 confirming initiation of the process. You would need to reply back with the 1 to confirm the eSIM change request within 60 seconds.
If your email ID is invalid, you will receive a SMS from 121 asking you to reinitiate the process with the correct email ID. We'll also guide you how to update the email ID.
Post receiving the confirmation sent by you for the step 2, you will receive another SMS from 121 asking you to provide a consent over the call, failing which the SMS change request will get cancelled.
After providing your consent on the call, you will receive a final SMS from 121 regarding the QR code, which you will receive your registered email ID. Once you have the QR code for Jio or Airtel, try to follow below step for activation of eSIM.
Go to your Apple mobile, click on a settings and then go to mobile data and then click on add data plan. Once you click on add data plan, you will get a new window asking to select a primary or secondary SIM in mobile data. By selecting primary or secondary, click on a continue button to proceed further. And also it will ask for add to iMessages, FaceTime, Apple ID, select your SIM card and continue. After clicking continue, now you will get a new window for mobile data and also you have an option to select allow mobile data switching, which means mobile data will switch based on availability once you select that option. Finally, you are done with the eSIM registration. Friends, we are done with the finally registration of eSIM process.
It will take 2 to 5 hours for the activation of eSIM.
As soon as you lost the signals from physical SIM,
the eSIM will be getting activated. Following are the handset models that supports eSIM capability. You can go through this list.
Other important points for activating your eSIM.
The QR code is unique and is applicable for just one-time use on one device only. Once scanned, please ensure you complete the process of adding the carrier. Customers should not select delete option from the eSIM settings, as this will permanently delete the eSIM profile.
So please make sure you should not delete by mistakenly also the delete option. Please make sure for the postpaid customers, in case you do not get any email with a QR code within 30 minutes or you abort the scanning process midway, please send SMS to no SIM to 121 to avoid disconnection of your physical SIM. Do not select delete option for the eSIM settings as this will permanently delete the eSIM profile. If you have the unknowingly removed it and your physical SIM is still active, please send SMS to no SIM to 121 to avoid disconnection of your physical SIM.
For the prepaid customers, if the QR code email is not received, QR code scanning process is aborted midway, please send the below mentioned SMS to avoid disconnection of physical SIM. NeSIM to 52212 for prepaid numbers in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. NeSIM to 51619 for prepaid numbers rest of India. Do not select delete option from the eSIM settings as this will permanently delete the eSIM profile. If you have unknowingly removed and your physical SIM is still active, please SMS NeSIM as specified above to avoid disconnection of your physical SIM.
Friends, so please make sure that you are aware of these two important points for postpaid and prepaid, else your SIM will be deactivated.
Again, you have to go to store for activation of eSIM.
Friends, we'll be sharing how to activate eSIM on Samsung also. Following other settings we need to follow. Open your Samsung phone, click on settings and then go to connections and select a SIM card manager and then click add mobile plan. After that you see an option add using QR code. Scan QR code for received an email. Make sure that your mobile data or Wi-Fi data should be available during the scanning of QR code. After scanning QR code, now you have an option to add new mobile data plan and continue the steps by selecting your required options.
Following are the settings required for Google eSIM activation. Please follow the below instruction for scanning your QR code. Click on settings, select network and internet, click on Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi network which is a mandatory, click on mobile network, click on advanced, then click on carrier, then click on add carrier, scan QR code received on the email, and post scanning, click on download, post download, click on done.
So we are done with the Samsung and Google settings as well. I believe this video is very useful.
Hope we have shared clear instructions on how to activate eSIM.
Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or doubts regarding eSIM activation process.
If you like this video, please do subscribe, share, comment and hit a bell icon to receive further videos. Thank you. Hope to see you in next videos.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.